open. On. Say again. Come on, Pat. Woo! Yeah. Go on. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, sorry.
What did I do that for? I panicked, so I do what you did. You just got stuck to the rock, didn't you?
Yeah. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
I'll go do it. Yeah.
Spun me out so you can pin on that rock and I was going over, I thought.
Oh, I tried to roll a couple of times.
Yeah.
I kept hitting the rock, so I had to bail.
No, I see the same thing coming out, so I'm not going to get pins on it. Bollocks for that. That's my statement. Fuck that.
I have now. Yeah. Is that flashing?
Yes, it is.
Oh, lovely. This is alright. Yeah. Probably easy.
Cut down.
Well, my arse is going to get smacked. That's my boat there, isn't it? It's a bit shallow.
Get yourself warm.
That's alright.
Macarena?
It's a bit of a mission, wasn't it?
Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Shit okay? Hey, what, you got some exciting footage on it?
Yeah. I turned it on and off a couple of times.
Wow.
What I suggest you do, stand on your boat. Yes. Stand on your boat and your feet are warm up.
I'm not really cold. So.
I'm bloody crazy.
Yeah, my feet are like ice now.
Get back in. Process back in. Good teamwork, guys. Yeah, well done, everyone.
Thanks for rescuing my boat.
Took a long time. I couldn't do it. I just got here and I got stinged up holding onto a tree when Mark caught me up. Just couldn't get out and it's so heavy. You need an airbag in the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't do it.
That bloody rock.
There's two rock cliffs, isn't there?
That was
One side, another one rock cliff, the other side, another rock cliff.
Right.
If you'd have seen it, you wouldn't know.
So what you've done now, you see what happens when you get caught against rocks. You see what happens when you're not concentrating on yourself, your
Yeah.
group, and then the victims. Yeah? So you have to get yourself safe first. The nice thing about this is this is not life threatening. This goes wrong, it's a fact. I've got whoever's sticker went for a swim. Hey.
Thanks, Louise.
Should have lent to them. That's the rafting. Can we get on afterwards?
Somebody take paddles.
I bet you hate to let you get off. So I'll just let you two go. Everything behind you.
Okay. Simon, right?
Yeah. Come on.
Come on, Simon.
Yeah.
Simon. Okay, alright? Okay, alright. Dave, canoe paddles, canoe paddles. Canoe paddles, that's it, canoe paddles. Canoe paddles. Big ones, that's it. Right, let it go around this way. Simon, you okay?
Yeah.
Canoe paddles. On. Keep going, keep going. Come on. You're a big lad, Simon.
Yeah.
How you doing? Okay. Let's turn back round. Come on, paddle up, paddle up, paddle up. Right, we need to stop here together. Eddie out here, Eddie out here. Let's see what the water's doing. Is that right?
Put you on Dave's boat.
Okay. Go down there, please. Go down this way. I'd rather go down the big one. Too many rocks. Right or left? Alright, right side. Watch your feet, mate. Yeah. Right side! Yeah. Watch your feet. Paddle up, paddle up. Okay, paddle up. Paddle. Okay, there's a big rock below you, mate. There's a big rock below you.
Yeah. I'm just
Okay,
sitting between
come on,
now.
right now, right now, right now.
Yeah. So I'm in an eddy now.
Not yet.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Cheers, guys. I'm a swimmer. Born a swimmer.
Well, we get lots of taps done today. Get them all out.
We'll take them off, yeah. Brilliant, thank you very much.
Good.
Good practicing my swimming. I just like it that much, I just can't help but get in ever so often.
After JB stole it down backwards.
Yeah.
I booped it.
Booped it.
Yeah, I booped it up.
Yeah, awesome.
Jamie, every rock side.